In today's video, I'll be reviewing the brand new Supreme North Face S logo backpack in the red colorway, and I'll be giving a close-up review of the bag just to show you all the features and pouches on this backpack. And then at the end of the video, I will be throwing on the backpack just so you can see how it looks on a person, just in case you want to buy this backpack for yourself. And before I get into the review, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get right into the review. Now on to the close-up review of the backpack. Starting off with the materials, it is made out of that Cordura fabric that pretty much all the other Supreme bags are made out of. And then it also has the white S logo, and then it has the Supreme box logo patch, and then right above it, it does have a North Face one. And here's a closer look at the two patches on the front of the bag. Now here's the tags of the backpack. The first one advertises the Cordura fabric, and then the other one is for the backpack itself. So it says TNF S logo Expedition backpack, and then here's the colorway, which mine is in TNF red. Now moving on to the front zip pocket, the zipper runs all the way around the front of the bag, and then I'll unzip it so you can see what it looks like inside. So the front pouch doesn't actually open all the way, just because there's this divider in the middle of it which restricts it from opening all the way. Both sides are separated by this middle divider, which I don't really know how I feel about it. I'm not really too big of a fan of it. I kind of wish this wasn't here just so it'd open up like a normal front flap on a backpack, but these pockets are pretty deep. You will be able to fit a water bottle in here, so I guess if you want to have a water bottle on this side and then whatever you want on the other side, you could do that just so you can easily separate it. But overall, I'm not really too big of a fan of this front pouch just because of this middle divider. I just think it restricts on what you can fit in the front pouch. Moving on to the back of the bag, since the sides do not have drink holders, which is kind of unfortunate. Most backpacks usually have those, but for some reason this North Face backpack does not have drink holders on the side. Don't know why, but it's a design flaw, I guess. Now moving on to these straps, it does have North Face branding on one of them, and then it's just plain on the other one. And then these straps are pretty padded, so it should be pretty comfortable if you have to wear this bag for a long period of time. And then it also does have the middle buckle that allows you to connect the two straps. And then if you didn't know, the North Face bags usually have this whistle on the middle buckle, so if you want to, you can blow this in and then makes the whistle noise. And then the back part of this bag is also very well padded, so it should be a really comfortable backpack in case you have to use this for a long period of time. And then also on the left strap, it does have a little Supreme tab for branding. So that wraps up the outside of the backpack. Overall, it's really simple on the outside. There isn't too much going on, which could be good if you want a simple backpack, but I do wish they did have a water bottle pouch on one of the sides of the backpack, at least one of them. I think that would have been a nice feature, but it doesn't have any, which is really unfortunate. So now I'm going to show you the main pocket, so let's get right into it. Now moving on to the main compartment of the backpack, what you see is pretty much what you get. Super plain on the inside, no extra pockets or sleeves on the back side, which usually Supreme backpacks do have some sort of extra pocket or sleeve on this side. And then there's also no laptop sleeve either, which I think is really weird. Most Supreme backpacks usually have one, or at least the ones I've had in the past have that. So overall, I just think this backpack could have done a lot better. They could have added a little bit more design features, like a laptop sleeve, maybe an extra pocket here, and at least one drink pocket on the outside. I think that would have made this backpack a lot better. It looks really cool in my opinion. Definitely one of my favorite from a design perspective, but from a functionality standpoint, definitely one of the worst. Not too many storage options. They kind of limit you in the front pocket with that middle dividing flap, and then there's not really too much in the main compartment. As you can see, no laptop sleeve, nothing up here to put your keys or wallet in. And I think it's kind of ironic that they call this an Expedition backpack. You'd think there'd be a lot of storage options in an Expedition backpack, but for this one, there's definitely not as many as you would hope. So hopefully for the next one, they do a little bit better. I still really like this backpack, one of my favorite design wise, but from a functionality standpoint, definitely one of the worst Supreme backpacks I've had in the last few years. So that is it for the close-up review. Now on to the try-on, so let's get right into it. Overall, that wraps up today's review of the Supreme North Face backpack. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe down below just so you can see the next time I upload a new video. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.